Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.